This is Mbabane Sundowns channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. It's an eve of the game between Mbabane Swallows and Mamelodi Sundowns, CAF Champions League. My brother, how's it?
Yeah, sure, my brother.
Yeah.
I hope you're good.
I'm very good, thanks, man.
Sure.
In yes, my brother, we are here tonight at the Lucas Moripe Stadium. We can see, behind us, the officials are training, warming up. First time I see them live, warming up. How do you feel about your experience for tonight?
Yeah, first let me greet the viewers of 2010 Sharp Eye. I hope they are good.
Yeah.
But to Repusha 2010 Eye, we are talking football. So yeah, going to the game, I'm happy. I see the officials, they're busy training for tomorrow game. It's going to be Mbabane Swallows from Swaziland against Mamelodi Sundowns from Pretoria, South Africa. Yeah, it's gonna be a good game of football. Obviously, both teams, remember they won their league. Mbabane Swallows won Eswatini M10 League. And they lost one game, and also Mamelodi Sundowns won DSTV Premiership League, and they lost one game. So it's going to be an interesting game. We're going to see a beautiful game. Both teams, they have good players, especially Mamelodi Sundowns. And remember, Mbabane Swallows collected 55 points. They played 27 games.
26 games.
26 games. Yeah. They played 26 games because that league has got 14 teams. Yeah. Mamelodi Sundowns, they played 30 games. And then they collected 73 points.
They won how many? 22 games?
They won 22. They drew 7.
They lost one.
They lost one. They got 73 points. So it's going to be an interesting game, beautiful game. Remember, it's a CAF Champions League game. So first leg here at Lucas Moripe, Masterpieces Moripe. It's a surprising one. It's a home ground for Mbabane Swallows.
Yeah.
So I know people are surprised. Why is the Mbabane Swallows home game? They brought the game here. I think it's about marketing. And then we're going to see a lot of Mbabane Swallows supporters. I saw and I heard the coach, the fans will come in numbers. So it's going to be a nice game. Obviously, Masandawana will come in numbers because they are playing home away. So it's going to be a beautiful game of football. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns, most of their players, they just came back from national team duty. So the likes of Mapasa Mudiba, Kulisi Mudautebo Mukwena, and Ringas and Rengekana was there, even though he didn't play at the national team. So, but I believe he will play tomorrow. I think Coach Mangoba Mngiti it's a must win for him, because if he is going to lose this one, it's going to be a trouble for him. And remember, Mbabane Swallows, they are underdogs. They don't have pressure coming to this game. And remember, their last game qualified for this one, they won their game on penalties. So it's going to be a good game of football. We'll see tomorrow.
I heard you saying that they won 15 games, drew 10 and lost one. And the match that they lost, it was again one of the best teams in Swaziland, Green Mambas. They beat them 4-1. I think it's the second game of the league. But I've seen positives in this team. Mbabane Swallows, they're scoring a lot of goals. Few games there's a game where they won 7-2. The other game is 3-0. You can see that they are the team that is scoring. And to mention Coach Mangoba Mngiti's comments earlier today, he said they mustn't take this team for granted.
Talking about Mbabane Swallows scoring goals, they have good strikers. If you check on their league last season, they scored a lot of goals. Most of their games they were winning 4-1, 7-2. So they have good strikers and they're scoring a lot of goals. If you check Mamelodi Sundowns currently, they're striking.
They are not scoring.
Remember their last 3 games, they didn't score. Remember, they played against Stellenbosch, they lost both games, and they played against Polokwane City. It was an own goal. So Mbabane Swallows, their last game, they were scoring. So it's going to be an interesting game, as I've said. Or Mbabane, they are underdogs, they don't have pressure. Mara, I do believe Mamelodi Sundowns is going to win this one. It's going to be an easy game for them. The players are on form. But as I've said, Mbabane fans will come in numbers because it's their home games. And the spirit is high in Mbabane camp. Remember, they came here on Wednesday. They came here on Wednesday and they've been
acclimatized very well.
They've been here if you have said they lost a game against Green Mambas, at MTN.
And Green Mambas, remember, they came number 2 last season in the MTN
Eswatini League. A very good team, a very well organized team. So is it the rival there? So they compete against Mbabane Swallows every time they're at Eswatini League. So as I've said, they collected 55 points last season. They drew 1. So they lost one. They drew 10. So it's going to be a great game of football. So we're going to see a good football. So remember, if Mamelodi Sundowns they lose, and they lose their first game, and then they lose their second game against Mbabane, they are out of Champions League. So exactly. Obviously, everyone thinks.
And also going forward to the Betway Premiership. It's going to be a tough one.
So it's going to be a tough one for Mamelodi Sundowns. But as I've said, it's going to be in the park for Mamelodi Sundowns. I think they'll redeem themselves. They'll score a lot of goals tomorrow. The players they are in high spirit. I saw the training yesterday at Lord Cop. So I believe the boys are ready. Yeah, we're just going to see a great. Let's just wait and see for tomorrow. But what I can tell, I'm happy. Look, the match of officials here, they're busy training, so they're ready. No one is going to disturb them. I don't see any brown envelope here. So it's going to be it's going to be a great game of football. I just wish supporters must come in numbers and support the both teams. People of Atteridgeville, Mbabane, Sosha, Mamelodi. Let's come in numbers and support football. Even the Mamelodi, Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, I know they don't get along, but Mamelodi Sundowns currently they're representing South Africa. Let's come in numbers and support Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club. Yeah,
thank you very much. Let's touch a little bit, on Jwaneng versus Orlando Pirates tomorrow. They are playing at Jwaneng. I've seen, a lot of supporters, Pirates, they win there. They are on their way there. So I'm very impressed that, the Orlando Pirates supporters are not only supporting at home, they are also, traveling there. And remember also, in Botswana, there are supporters, supporters that side, Orlando Pirates supporters that side. So what can you tell us about the game, tomorrow's game? What must we expect?
Another big game tomorrow, Orlando Pirates Football Club against Jwaneng Football Club. Remember, Orlando Pirates last season, they finished number 2 on the log. Jwaneng, they won Botswana Premier League. So it's Mrena Ramoreboli against Jose Ribeiro. So it's going to be another game, good game of football. Pirates are playing away home at Botswana. This time they are not as good in. So it's going to be a good game for both teams. Jwaneng, they are going to the games as underdogs. Orlando Pirates, they are the favorites, but the last time both teams they played, Orlando Pirates lost the game. They lost at home. They drew 0-0 at home, and they lost on the penalties at Eskoding. So it's going to be another tough encounter for both teams. I think Mrena Ramroboli knows Pirates very well. But as I've said the last time, Orlando Pirates, I believe they're going to win this one away. And when coming home, it's going to be a tough one. I think it will go to the penalties. So I believe Orlando Pirates will win this one tomorrow.
No, thank you very much, my brother. As we speak, Stellenbosch is leading as Vita 2-0. Mujela scored his first goal, his first African goal for Stellenbosch. How do you feel about that game? Do you think they're going to win that game?
Obviously the game is coming to the end. As we speak, it's 80 minutes and Stellenbosch are leading 2-0. Mleisane scored and Mujela scored his first CAF goal. So I believe Stellenbosch is going to win this one. They are on form. They are playing against the AS Vita Club. So I believe Stellenbosch will win this one. They are on form.
Let's hope they're going to win this one. Ladies and gents, this Stellenbosch game is not yet finished, but maybe when you watch this they would have finished it up. Hopefully they're going to win the match. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thanks, my brother. To the viewers of 2010 Shapai, let's continue to subscribe on our YouTube channel and also on Facebook. For everything the channel. Good night. God bless and bye-bye.
Iniesta, my Iniesta. Thank you very much, my brother. As Iniesta said, let's keep on supporting the channel. Thank you very much for supporting the channel, 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share the videos and also like the videos. We are still having more football brains with us, and we're definitely going to deliver. And any comment, will build us. Make sure that you don't shift. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Keep on supporting the channel. Hey, tada.